Yes, hello there. My name is Sörbo, and I'd like to introduce to you a new color on our fastelis handle. And this is what it looks like. It matches the blue label that is on our squeegee. And this is a squeegee handle that I invented in 1995. And I invented a new fastelis at that time and patented it because of the simple reason that when I invented the end plug at the same time, I couldn't get the handle off because all the handles was actually tight, so you had to slide it to the end of the squeegee channel. So this is the fastest fastener. I also introduced this new tie-off for high-rise people. So this is where you tie off your safety line. In the past you had to tie it off in this hole here, and of course if you use an extension pole, well, it won't fit very well if you have a hook in here. So that's why I came up with that thing. This handle is universal. It fits all the squeegees on the market. It fits the brass squeegees, stainless steel squeegees. All you have to do is screw this in with a dime, and it actually gets into the right size. I also invented this so you can actually turn the squeegee around, and you can actually use a squeegee backwards in your channel, and that way you have a squeegee with a 5-degree angle. And actually what you do, you move your handle backwards and the squeegee will go, of course, forward, because now it's backwards in the channel. So that's another apparatus you can use when you do skylights straight up in the ceiling. It works really good that way. This is a very unique squeegee handle because it swivels, and of course it comes in many different colors. We have purple and yellow and black, and now we have the blue that we just came out with. And well, I hope you enjoy this new color, and we thank you again for supporting Sörbo, and we hope you make a lot of money this year. Thank you for watching this video.